Connecting a new device to your NatWest account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Download the NatWest app. Begin by downloading the NatWest mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during the download. Step 2. Open the app and select Register. Once the app is installed, open it and select the Register option. You will need to provide your personal details, including your customer number and other identification information. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Set up your security features. After verification, you will be prompted to set up security features such as a password or biometric login, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Choose the method that best suits your preferences. Step 5. Log in and access your account. Once your security features are set up, log into your account using your new credentials. You can now access all the features of your NatWest account on your new device. By following these steps, you can easily connect your new device to your NatWest account and manage your banking needs with convenience.